Hi, Priyank. My name is Rick Purdy, and I'm the sales manager here at Mercedes-Benz Country Hills. Priyank, you've been talking with Phoebe about a vehicle that we have here at the dealership. So what I thought I would do here real quickly is just reach out to you and send you a quick video overview of the pricing and the discounts and the value of your car that you have for trade. One of the things that Phoebe had mentioned to you, you were looking what sort of a discount and how the savings were on this particular car. So what I thought I would do for you, Priyank, is break it right down. So as you know, on the CLA250 right now, they have a special promotion where a person gets a 2% rate reduction. It also has a 3-month payment waiver, and we've given you a discount on the car of $3,990. So in reality, you really have a $7,574 saving on this particular vehicle. And I'll show you what I mean. On the CLA right now, on a 45-month lease, there's a 2.9% interest rate, which would give you a payment of $528. With the 0.9% interest rate, that brings your payment down to $475.65. So if you take the difference between these two, multiply it by 45 months, that's where I come up with the $2,384 that you're saving right off the bat in interest on the vehicle. And then they have a 3-month payment waiver where you basically get $400 a month for the next 3 months as a payment waiver. And then as you can see here, we've discounted the car at $3,990. So the savings are quite substantial on this particular vehicle. With respect to your Ford Fiesta, the SE, with 88,000 kilometers on it, I got in your email yesterday regarding the car proof and the accident claim on the vehicle. Based on the information that I've gotten on this particular car, the Ford Fiesta, not a real big fast-selling car. Car is worth $4,500 to me. I wouldn't keep the car pre-owned. I would actually end up wholesaling the car. So I just thought I would break this down to you and send it off to you so that you could see how the breakdown works. But again, if you wanted to look at leasing the vehicle, trading in your vehicle over 45 months, your payment would be $475.65. I will send this off to you right now. Phoebe is out of the office today. She'll be back in tomorrow, but I'll include her on this email. So if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact either her or myself, and we would love to earn your business. Thanks a lot for reaching out to our dealership. Take care now.